Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can voice call on Fluxer. So the first method is basically call on one-on-one or small group conversation. So what you're going to do is open up your DMs and you will see here at the top the start voice call. And if you press here, it will start the connection right over here. Then what you need to do is basically just wait for the users. So once they accept, your audio stream will begin. Now, what you can do here is you can mute, defin, turn on camera, share your screen, and then you have here a little bit more options. So voice recognition on my end, so on. Now, method 2 is basically for large groups or always on Hangouts, use a community server. So let's head over here to our community server. So as you can see, this one. Now navigate here to the left and you will search for the voice channels. So you will see speaker icon next to the name, not these hashtags icons. So if you find it, now you click on it and the voice call will begin, and it's pretty much the same as before from the DMs. So yeah, this is how you can voice call on Fluxer. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.